Hello everyone, this is Ruxana Banu and today I am going to talk to you about this incredible kitchen chimney. This amazing kitchen chimney from Faber is perfect for your kitchen. It is a wall mounted and comes with a curved glass design. It is made of black finish material and has a touch control panel. The chimney has a suction capacity of 1500 m3 per hour, making it perfect for kitchens of more than 200 square feet. It also has a baffle filter that is suitable for Indian kitchens and heat auto clean technology with an oil collector. The chimney also has a max noise of 58 decibel and a LED lamp. This kitchen chimney is perfect for your kitchen and will make your cooking experience even better.
Buying a kitchen chimney is an important decision as it is a long-term investment that can significantly enhance the cooking experience in your kitchen. Here are some key factors to consider when purchasing a kitchen chimney. First, type of chimney. There are three types of chimneys: wall-mounted, island and built-in. The type of chimney you choose depends on the layout and design of your kitchen. Wall-mounted chimneys are the most common and are fixed on the wall above the cooking stove. Island chimneys are suspended from the ceiling above a kitchen island, while built-in chimneys are integrated into the kitchen cabinets. Second, size. The size of the chimney should be proportional to the size of your cooktop. Generally, the chimney should be slightly larger than the cooktop to ensure that it captures all the smoke and fumes. As a rule of thumb, the width of the chimney should be at least as wide as the cooktop. Third, suction power. The suction power of the chimney is measured in cubic meters per hour. A higher suction power means the chimney is more efficient at removing smoke and fumes from the kitchen. A good rule of thumb is to choose a chimney with a suction power that is at least 10 times the volume of the kitchen. Fourth, filters. The filters in the chimney play a crucial role in capturing the grease and oil particles in the smoke. Some chimneys come with an auto clean feature as well. This feature uses advanced technology to clean the filters automatically, reducing the need for manual cleaning. Fifth, noise level. Kitchen chimneys can be noisy, so it's important to choose one that doesn't disrupt the peace and quiet of your home, as noise level of 60 decibels or less is considered ideal. And sixth, design. The design of the chimney should complement the style and decor of your kitchen. Chimneys are available in a range of materials such as stainless steel, tempered glass and ceramic. Choose a design that is easy to clean and maintain. In conclusion, purchasing a kitchen chimney requires careful consideration of various factors such as size, suction power, filters, noise level and design. By taking these factors into account, you can choose a chimney that suits your needs and enhances your cooking experience. Happy shopping!